Hello everyone, this is just going to be a short little video explaining how to install apps onto your wabbitemu so you can display it on your smartboard. Attached to the email with the link for this video were two files. You should save both of those files to your desktop so they're on your desktop here. Doesn't matter where they are on the desktop, just so long as they're somewhere on the desktop. Then you're going to open up Wabbit, and you're just going to click up here where it says File. I'm going to click Open, click on Desktop, and the two files should come up because it's only looking for those two types of files. And you just click on the inequalities one, and you say Open, and you go ahead and you do it again. You click File, Open, and you do it for the polysmalt. You click Open, and then when that's done, when you hit Apps on your calculator, they'll be there. Very simple. If you run any problems, feel free to give me an email or stop by my room or give me a call. Thank you.